Hi, I'm attorney Eric Doroshow and welcome to our video blog. I want to tell you a story about someone who was driving a motor vehicle. His name was Jeremy Weiner, and in 2005 he was driving a new Jeep Wrangler. He swerved to avoid an oncoming car and crashed into a utility pole. The utility pole fell and trapped him inside the car. And what happened was he filed a lawsuit against the Chrysler Corporation, and in that lawsuit engineers were hired by his lawyers, and they found out that the plastic fluid reservoir broke inside that car. As a result of that breakage, the vehicle itself caught on fire, and when he awoke from medically induced coma 5.5 weeks later with 2 amputated legs, he found that he was obviously permanently disabled and in need of significant help. Now, the lawsuit against Chrysler ended even before it went to court. And why was that? Well, Chrysler filed bankruptcy, a Chapter 11 reorganization. And under our law, any tort claims, a claim for civil damages, the claim that Jeremy filed was stayed, and as part of the settlement, as part of the resolution, as part of the plan, those claims were totally wiped out. There is a movement afoot to change that law. The same thing and the same is taking place with GM vehicles. There have been a number of folks who have been injured as a result of defective GM products that have suffered severe permanent injury that have seen their lawsuits stop. Now, GM, before they emerged from bankruptcy, their plan wiped out totally those claims. Those folks who were injured through no fault of their own as a result of a defective product in a GM case got zero. However, GM is permitting in the future, after they emerge from bankruptcy, these types of lawsuits. Why am I talking to you today about this? Because there are tens of thousands of folks throughout the country who have been injured as a result of defective products, either by Chrysler or GM, and they've been wiped out through no fault of their own through bankruptcy. And our taxpayer dollars are used and are being used to fund the bankruptcy. Well, there's something you can do about it. There's a bill that's pending in Congress that would require GM, that would require Chrysler to buy the insurance coverage to pay for these claims. We support this. I support it. We suggest that you support it too. We want to hear from you whether you agree with the idea of supporting a law that would require GM and Chrysler to buy insurance to cover folks, to cover consumers who have been hurt as a result of their products. Often asked by people in federal and state positions about what our clients think about certain bills. So we want to hear from you. Go on to the box in our video blog and post your comments. Thanks for watching.